I have a friend that was. She couldn't hear, so she couldn't speak. But yeah, it was pretty hard. I understood a little bit. She carried a book around.
I feel really bad right now.
Oh my god!
I'm actually. I don't know. Oh my god! Right now I'm. You can punch me again. You can punch me again. That was like so mean.
No. I actually did have a friend that was deaf, and like I should have spoke normally because you could hear me normally.
I thought it would be interesting to do this. I'm actually.
That was so slack.
I'm actually doing YouTube videos right now on.
What, am I being recorded?
Yeah, you are
right now?
actually right now behind you. The guy's the camera. I'm actually stopping just random girls and trying to pick them up without speaking.
Yeah.
It's really fucking difficult. Oh my god.
Yeah, I just okay. I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
Yeah, that's what everyone's gonna do that. I'm like, how am I gonna work around this?
Oh, well, you could have made it a bit more believable by like holding a book around. Because my friend couldn't speak, so with people she met, like she had to actually like converse by phone or by book.
Yeah, I'll do it by phone next time. Use this for YouTube for our channel. It's for social experiments.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, give me a hug. Awesome.
It's alright.
It's a shame you have a boyfriend, but do you actually have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I do.
Damn. I was gonna say maybe if I start speaking now, she might change her mind. Okay, now I can talk. Okay, I'm actually doing a YouTube channel right now on if possible I can get a girl's number without talking. There's actually a guy with a camera right there. But I do want to take you out for coffee sometime. Would you like to go? You said yes already, come on.
Maybe sometime.
Maybe sometime when you're free?
Sure.
Look, like I said, it is for YouTube. Is it alright if we use this video for YouTube? Because that was, you were like, give me a high five, you're awesome. Like I did not say a single word. And you're like, I'll trust this guy. He seems like a nice guy. I'll say yes to coffee.
Because like he can't talk.
So you gave me a number out of like sympathy? Oh.
No.
Coffee? Now? Okay. I don't know. How are we gonna... Oh wait, no, that's not my number. That's my mum's number. I've had 0 sleep. No 4, 1, 4. Double S.
Okay, now I can talk.
What?
Yeah, I can talk the whole time.
Oh.
Right now I'm actually doing a YouTube video of like getting girls' number without speaking. But I do think you're actually really cute. It's alright.
Oh my god.
The guy, see the guy is like sitting there with a camera?
No!
Dude, you're so awesome! Why are you saying no for?
What?
Like why you, oh no, like, you did like really well, like, you're really nice, yeah.
What do people usually do? Do they say no?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, so it's just like sympathy, you give me your number, I'll see how it is. That's my feelings.
I was like happy to make a friend.
What was that?
How
What was it?
can he hear me?
Ah, actually it's mic'd up right now. You can hear everything.
I fell for it.
It's like, there's nothing wrong with faulting it. I'm a good actor. I don't even know sign language. I was just trying to do universal signs and Pictionary. Social experiment. If a guy can actually get a girl's number without speaking.
How many have you gotten?
2.
Out of?
5.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, but it's really hard.
Really?
It's really difficult.
Why? What do people say?
Huh? Because like, oh, I like talking. So it's really difficult. Yeah. Hey, yeah, I do actually think you're really cute. And would you like to get coffee sometime?
Sure.
Actually, since I am recording for YouTube, is it alright if I use this video for YouTube with your permission, of course? Say yes, come on.
Okay, as long as I'm portrayed in a really good way.
Dude, you just gave your number to a guy he did not speak to you, and you gave me a book to write on. How does that look bad in any way?
That's really nice of me.
It is really nice of you. That really no one actually goes, you're cute.
I've never had that before. That's why I was like, oh my god, this is an amazing day.
Well, yeah, no one's ever written it down for you, but I'm sure someone said it. Not once?
Not a stranger, ever. Strangers don't do that.
Strangers do that.
That's why I was like, something's up. No, I didn't know. I had no idea.
Yeah, strangers do do it. You need to go out
You
more.
gotta have guts.
Huh?
You gotta have guts to do it.
You do have to have guts.
There you go.
That's a nice name.
Wow!
I'm actually,
What a troll.
no, I'm actually recording for YouTube videos right now.
Oh, wow.
If I could,
Are you being serious?
I'm serious. There's a camera right there.
Oh my goodness, I'm serious.
Well, technically, I didn't say anything.
Wow.
Oh man.
Permission to use it on YouTube?
Pardon?
We get permission to use
Sure, just like.
Okay, I can speak now.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm actually recording for YouTube right now. There's a car's camera right now. I'm sorry to bring
Thanks
this.
a lot.
I was like, this girl seems nice. I feel bad.
So how successful have you been?
Without speaking, this is pretty difficult. Probably 3 and 6.
Okay, that's not
Yeah,
bad.
it's. I love talking, so it's really hard for me. Like when I want to laugh.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yes.
Actually can talk. My name's Lloyd. Nice to meet you, Layla. Yeah, we're actually filming a social experiment for YouTube. Yeah, the camera's over there.
Okay.
Can we use the footage for YouTube?
Huh?
Can we use the footage? Because we're
yes,
filming.
yeah.
It's called "Can a Guy Pick Up a Girl Without Talking?"
Okay.
Can we use the footage? Cool. Thank you. I can actually talk. We're actually just filming a social experiment for YouTube. It's called "Can you pick up girls without talking?" And yeah, you actually can. There's a guy actually filming over there. Wave. Thanks, Helen. No, I actually honestly think you are cute, and I do want to take you out for coffee. If you're still interested, can we use footage for YouTube? Is that okay? Cool. Thanks. Where you from?
Okay.
I can talk now. I can talk the whole time. I'm actually recording a YouTube video right now on being able to approach a girl and try to pick them out without talking.
Oh!
There's a guy with a camera right there in the white shirt. Wave. And pretty much, it's really hard. Oh my god, so difficult to actually do everything without talking. And I cheated using text, but so that was the whole purpose of it, really. Could we have your permission to use this video for YouTube?
Yeah, of course.
Fuck yeah, awesome. What's your name?
Lola,
Lola? Lola, where are you from?
Spain.
Spain?